Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about living in a community. In this chapter, chapter number 4, there are two highlights: caring of public property and local agencies in community service. See, children, we all like living in neat and clean places, and we try our best to maintain our homes accordingly. So, children, your mother might be doing cleaning your house and keeping it neat and clean. We all like neat and cleanliness. We must make similar efforts to keep public places neat and clean, as well as clean surroundings gives the area a pleasant and welcoming look. If we all continue to keeping public places clean, our country will be even more beautiful. See, children, as we are keeping our house clean, we should keep public property also clean and neat. Now, children, see further. First point is caring of public property. How we should take care of public property. We all live in community, and it is our collective responsibility to take care of certain things and places in our community as they are used by all of us. See, public properties suppose like garden, park, these all are public property, so we should all take care of it and we should all keep it neat and clean. Things that we own individually are known as personal property. The things which we buy ourselves, that is known as a personal property. They can be owned by a simple person or even a group of people. For instance, private vehicles, houses, and other similar belongings are example of personal properties. See, children, what is a personal property? Personal properties are we buy our house, we buy our car, we buy other vehicles or other things which we buy on, that is known as a personal property. And things which is given by, made by government is known as a public property. Suppose bus stand, government hospitals, these all are garden, park, museum, these all are public property which we all public use it. See, children, now we take good care of personal belongings and would naturally be upset for someone that handle our belongings with care. But are we equally careful while using things that belong to the general public? And just as very often so public spitting or littering on the street as they walk by. Now, see, children, we should take care as our own property. In public property, in roads, we should not spit, we should not litter on the walls. Sometimes people even paste posters or draw on walls of public buildings like hospitals and pillars or flyers and so on. They do not realize that they are making the place dirty and thereby causing problems in the people around that place. See, sometimes many people make big posters and paste on the walls of the road, public buildings, hospitals, pillars. So it is, children, not good to do this all dirty things on the walls of public property. Properties such as hospitals, parks, roads, public transport such as buses or trains, and public libraries are set up by the government for everybody in a community to use and benefit from. We get benefit from this all: hospitals, park, road, public transport, trains, public library. We go to read books in libraries. So, children, Hence, they are called public property. These all are public properties which we should keep them clean, neat, and doesn't make it dirty. Public properties are usually retained by the government. However, it does not mean that it is not our responsibility to take care of public places and properties. It is our responsibility, children, to take the care of public properties. It is our duty as a good citizen to help government maintain these common properties in place as they have been set up for the welfare of all people. It is set up by government for all of us. Let us learn about some public properties and how we help to maintain them. This point we will see tomorrow. So children, which words are underlined? You write down this word in your rough book. Thank you, children.